In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a section on Google Sites. If you're editing a site and want to reuse a layout, a block of text, or a design element without rebuilding it from scratch, duplicating a section is one of the fastest ways to do it. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when you're working on page design or trying to keep your site consistent. To begin, open your Google site and make sure you're in editing mode on the page where the section already exists. Once you're on your site, scroll to the part of the page that contains the section you want to copy. This can be a text area, an image section, a banner style block, or any other content section you've already created. Next, move your mouse over that section. As you hover over it, Google Sites will reveal the controls connected to that specific section. This is important because those editing options don't always stay visible all the time. Hovering helps you target the exact section you want to work with, especially if your page contains several similar blocks stacked close together. When the section controls appear, look for the duplicate icon. It's usually located alongside the other section editing tools. Click that duplicate icon once and Google Sites will instantly create a copy of the section for you. The duplicated version will appear directly below the original, keeping the same structure, formatting, and content. At this point, you can click into the new copied section and customize it however you like. This is especially useful if you want to preserve the same layout while changing the wording, swapping images, or updating links. Instead of building the section again manually, you're starting from an exact copy, which makes the editing process much quicker and more accurate. A helpful tip here is to pause for a moment after duplicating and confirm that you selected the correct section before making changes. If your page has multiple sections that look alike, this quick check can prevent accidental edits to the original content. It's also a good idea to review spacing and placement after duplication, just to make sure everything appears where you expected on the page. And that's all it takes to duplicate a section on Google Sites. Open your site, hover over the section you want to copy, and click the duplicate icon. It's a small action, but it can make page building much more efficient.